it looks like a high pull. You snap it up fast enough to change your grip. You actually release the kettlebell, grab it on the bottom, stabilize it here. So don't go into a high pull, bad for your shoulders. Avoid high pulls, at least with your hands very close. They're bad for your shoulders. Regular kettlebell high pull, your arm is actually coming out here more. When it's really loaded and you're not using momentum, it's going to be dragged down here. Okay, so here's what it looks like from the front. Okay, it's a plyometric squat into an ab bracing sort of isometric. Okay, here it goes. Chest high, chin up, and then push it out. Sucks. It's good for you though.